पंजाब टेलीविजन की टीम आज पहुंची हुई है एक हिस्टोरिक अनाउंसमेंट ब्रैम्पटन वास्ते जी की गई पब्लिक ट्रांजिट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फंड के तहत और साढ़े नाल इस वे मौजूद ने मिनिस्टर ऑफ एवरीथिंग। जी हाँ, जिस तरह की पॉलिटिक्स एंड इन्फ्लुएंस की जी मैगजीन है हिल टाइम्स, तो उन्होंने मिनिस्टर नवदीप बैंस उन्होंने कहा कि ही इज़ मिनिस्टर ऑफ एवरीथिंग एंड एब्सोल्यूटली ही इज़ मिनिस्टर ऑफ एवरीथिंग, क्योंकि बहुत मेजर पोर्टफोलियो इन्होंने कोल है मिनिस्टर ऑफ साइंस इनोवेशन एंड इकनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट। जिसलिए इनोवेशन की गल आती है तो नवदीप जी तुहाडा चेहरा सब दे अगे चल जाता। सो व्हाट्स न्यू एंड व्हाट्स हैपनिंग?
So first of all, the announcement today was very special. The federal government announced $32.4 million for public transit. जी तो ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਬ੍ਰੈਂਪਟਨ 'ਚ ਕਾਫੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਆ, ਘਰ ਬਣ ਰਹੇ ਆ. There's a lot of traffic. So this investment for public transit is so important to help with gridlock, to make sure people can get to and from work more quickly, make sure you spend more time with the family, making sure that we have a more cleaner environment. So this is a very important announcement as well, Ji. And as mentioned, innovation is such a key part of it as well, Ji. क्योंकि जरिए infrastructure investment कर रहे हैं, how can we build things that last longer?
जी.
How can we build technology into it so we can have smart infrastructure?
जी.
So innovation is also a very key component of our infrastructure agenda.
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਮਹੀਨੇ ਡਿਟਰੋਇਟ ਆਟੋ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੀਗੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਆਟੋਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਵਾਸ ਦ ਮੇਜਰ ਐਲੀਮੈਂਟ ਆਫ ਦ ਸ਼ੋਅ। ਸੋ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿਸਲੇ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਅਨਾਉਂਸਮੈਂਟ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਕਾਫੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਨਫਰਾਸਟ੍ਰਕਚਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਐਮਫਸਿਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਵਾਟ ਡੂ ਯੂ ਸੀ ਦੀ ਫਿਊਚਰ ਅਨਾਉਂਸਮੈਂਟਸ ਕਮਿੰਗ ਫਰਮ ਯੋਰ ਡਿਪਾਰਟਮੈਂਟ?
So I think, autonomous vehicles have a lot of potential, G. The sensor technology, 5G ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ, in order, to make sure that we can connect different machines, we can make sure that they can talk to each other. I think those are the kinds of examples that are going to be put forward where technology fuses with infrastructure. So we really can build smart cities.
Right.
We can build smart communities where people have a better quality of life, where workers can have a better quality of life. That's our objective.
Minister Bhatt, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਅਨਾਉਂਸਮੈਂਟ ਜਿਸਲੇ when you became minister was to reinstall the long form for the
Yes,
census,
that's
ਔਰ
right.
census ਦੇ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟਸ ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਹਫਤੇ ਆਣੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ।
That's right.
ਸੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟਸ ਨੇ ਸਟੈਟਿਸਟਿਕਸ ਨੇ ਦੇ ਆਰ ਸਫੀਸ਼ੀਐਂਟ ਇਨਫ ਫॉर द ਪਲੈਨਿੰਗ ਐਂਡ ਅਦਰ ਡਿਪਾਰਟਮੈਂਟਸ?
Oh, absolutely, ਜੀ। ਆਪਣੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸੈਂਸਸ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਹੁਣੇ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਕੱਢਿਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ
ਜੀ।
for the population, it's slightly over 35 million people,
ਜੀ।
and we had a 98% response rate for the census. So this is good quality data that will help us federally, will help our provinces and territories and municipalities.
Right.
So ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਪਲੈਨਿੰਗ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ community ਲਈ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਬੱਸ route ਹੋਊਗਾ, what's the most optimal outcome, they have good quality data, and I think that will definitely help our municipalities.
ਸਾਡੀ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਮਿਨਿਸਟਰ ਨਵਦੀਪ ਬੈਂਸ ਨਾਲ, ਜੋ ਕਿ ਮਿਸੀਸਾਗਾ ਮਾਲਟਨ ਦੀ ਰਾਈਟਿੰਗ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਪਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਔਰ ਫਾਈਨਲ ਸਵਾਲ, ਇਟ ਵਾਸ ਅ ਬਿਗ ਡੇ ਫॉर ਬ੍ਰੈਂਪਟਨ. What's coming ahead on Monday when Honorable Justin Trudeau is meeting the President of USA, Donald Trump? So lot of expectations, lot of hype.
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
Well, first of all, this was a big day for Brampton. It was great to be here with my colleagues from Brampton who have been pushing for infrastructure. This was a big commitment we made during the campaign. We said we were going to invest $180 billion over the next 12 years. Of course, Brampton just received a significant investment, and there'll be more investments to come. So this is, again, us following through on our campaign promise. With respects to Mr. Trump and President Trump and Prime Minister Trudeau, this, as you know, is a very important relationship. We rely heavily on the U.S. For our economic interests. We have a long-standing history. They're a partner and friend and ally. And I'm very confident that our Prime Minister and President Trump will work together to strengthen both economies. You talked about the automotive sector. It's an integrated sector.
Absolutely.
And so it's in our mutual interest to work together because it creates good quality jobs in Canada and the US, and that'll be our message.
And how about standing up for Canadian values and refugees and immigrants? That's a very ticklish aspect.
No, it's not. I mean, we've been very clear that we will always stand up for our values. We've been very clear that we're an open society. We're open to people. We're open to ideas. We're open to trade. We're open to immigration. And, we've been very clear about that. We raised our immigration level from 260,000 to 300,000. We've improved the process for family reunification, both for spouses and parents, and our government is committed to immigration, and this is something the Prime Minister will not hesitate to say.
Absolutely. Well, it's always a pleasure talking to you, Mr. Bance, and thank you for making Brampton in the spotlight.
Thank you, Kanye. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.